In this video, I'll show you how to use Affirm at Walmart, a great option if you want to split your purchase into monthly payments and manage your budget more easily. If you're shopping online at walmart.com, start by adding the items you want to your cart and head to checkout. During the payment process, look for the option that says Pay with Affirm. It's usually right under the credit card field. Click or select that option. You'll be redirected to the Affirm website, where you can either log in to your existing account or quickly create a new one. Then enter some basic personal info like your name, birthday, and phone number so Affirm can check your eligibility. Once approved, you'll see different payment plans. Choose the one that works best for you. You could pay back over 3, 6, or even 12 months, depending on the purchase amount. After confirming your plan, your Walmart order will be processed, and you'll get confirmation right away. One thing to note, Affirm does a soft credit check, which won't hurt your credit score, and your payment terms, including any interest, will be clearly shown before you confirm, and that's it. Using Affirm at Walmart lets you spread out your payments with clear, upfront terms. No surprises. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart shopping and payment tips. See you next time.